Well, this feels a little bit weird, but it also feels really normal at the same time. Today I wanted to film a get ready with me, but I wanted to film one the OG way, the way that I used to love watching and still do love watching get ready with me's, when it wasn't a perfect setup and we didn't have amazing studio lights and like a whole crew behind us. It was literally just us in our bedrooms loving makeup like we always do. So I've got an event that I'm going to on Saturday. It's kind of like a dinner function sort of thing, and I haven't done a full face of makeup like today in probably 6 months. Yeah, I just don't really wear makeup like this anymore. So I wanted to remind myself that I can sort of still do makeup, and also a bit of a trial run of how I'm going to do the makeup on Saturday. So I thought I'd film it as well, and I actually really enjoyed filming today. It's not the best setup. The lighting did go a little no bueno, but you know, that's the life of a non-full production crew team shebang. Anyway, if you would like to see how I get ready for this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Oh, side note, I kind of want to start making videos again. Life is kind of settled into a bit of a normal routine now. I am still alive on social media and all of that fun stuff, so if you don't still follow me on there, then you know what to do. But I do want to kind of start making videos again. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, who knows. Anyway, enjoy the get ready with me, and I'll see you on the flip side. bye.